We're tracking some updates. Again, former US President Barack Obama has now praised Joe Biden for deciding to drop out of this 2024 presidential race, stating that Biden has been one of America's most consequential presidents. He is a patriot of the highest order. These are the latest inputs that we are tracking, and Akanksha continues to stay with us on the broadcast. Akanksha, a word coming in from the former President Barack Obama praising Joe Biden for deciding to drop out of the 2024 presidential race. How are we perceiving this in the larger political arena?
Very interesting tweet congratulating Joe Biden, because several analysts and foreign affairs experts have spoken about the rifts between this relationship. Do remember that Joe Biden and Barack Obama have been a very strong partnership when Barack Obama was in power as the president of the United States, and they were known to have, Joe Biden was somebody who was a strong pillar of support. He was, in fact, their own partnership was one that was a force to reckon with. But over the years, we've seen this partnership also break down. So many were, in fact, talking about how Joe Biden had taken offense to the fact that there was no support coming in from a Barack Obama when Joe Biden did choose to fight the 2024 presidential election. In fact, there are reports indicating that it was back in the year 2016's presidential race that Barack Obama had not adequately encouraged Joe Biden. He had, in fact, he had discouraged Joe Biden to fight the presidential race of 2016, which is one of the reasons that Joe Biden attributes for him deciding not to run, and which is the reason why he chose to, in fact, run in 2019. But having said that, many were talking about how there were rifts in this relationship because Barack Obama, when it came to Joe Biden, was not openly seen endorsing his presidential race. But the fact that he's now welcomed Joe Biden's decision to step down, saying that the decision to step down also shows what a sincere patriot Joe Biden is. It speaks volumes for how, in fact, Joe Biden is also being honored for this decision. We've seen the likes of seniors like Nancy Pelosi, even a Barack Obama talk about it. But perhaps also an indication that the former US president was not really behind Joe Biden's decision to contest this race.
Right, Akanksha, thank you so much for bringing in all those details. We'll continue to track the story as the day progresses and we get more reactions on this. But this twist in race for White House after Biden steps down is really something to keep an eye on.